For billions of years, the universe has raised one haunting question. How did life begin? On a small blue planet called Earth, something extraordinary happened. From lifeless rock and water emerged the spark of life. But how did it happen? Today, we dive into the mystery of our origins. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was no paradise. It was a world of fire and chaos. Volcanoes erupted endlessly, asteroids bombarded the surface, and the air was thick with poisonous gases. Yet within this hostile environment, the very building blocks of life were forming. Scientists believe that simple molecules like water, methane, and ammonia combined under extreme heat and energy. Lightning strikes and volcanic eruptions acted like nature's laboratories. In the oceans, these chemicals formed amino acids, the raw ingredients of life. This idea is known as the primordial soup theory. And in the 1950s, the famous Miller-Urey experiment proved that under early Earth conditions, these building blocks could indeed form spontaneously. But not all scientists agree. Some point to the deep ocean where hydrothermal vents spew out superheated minerals. These vents could have provided the perfect environment for the first living cells to appear, protected from the chaos above. And then, there's a more cosmic idea, panspermia. What if life didn't start here at all? Meteorites carrying organic molecules may have seeded Earth from outer space. In fact, scientists have discovered amino acids on ancient meteorites, suggesting that the ingredients of life might be universal. Whichever path nature took, the result was astonishing. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first tiny microbes appeared. They were simple, single-celled organisms, yet they held the blueprint of all future life. Over billions of years, these microscopic pioneers evolved, paving the way for plants, animals, and eventually, us. From those humble beginnings came evolution. Life adapted, diversified, and flourished. Without that first spark, there would be no forests, no oceans full of creatures, no civilizations, no humans wondering about their own existence. So, how did life begin? Was it chemistry, deep-sea vents, or cosmic seeds from the stars? The truth is, we still don't know. But what we do know is that out of a silent, lifeless Earth, life found a way. And that mystery, perhaps, is the greatest story ever told.